Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, current iOS and a recent backup so you can restore if needed. Now unlock the iPhone and go straight to the home screen. Press and hold an app icon until everything starts to jiggle. Once apps wiggle, you'll see delete or remove options. This is the first actionable step that gives you control. Make sure you understand the difference between offloading and deleting before tapping any icon, because one frees space but keeps data while the other removes both. Once the icons are jiggling, tap the minus or X symbol on the app you want to remove. You'll be offered choices. Delete app removes both the app and its data, while offload app frees storage but retains documents and settings. Choose based on whether you may reinstall later. Confirm the action in the prompt. The system then uninstalls or offloads and updates storage. Make sure to watch for background processing and don't force restart mid-operation, because that can leave app remnants or corrupt cached data. After deletion or offload completes, stop jiggle mode by tapping Done or using the home gesture so icons settle. Next, verify the result by going to Settings General iPhone Storage to confirm space freed and that the app is gone. If the app still appears or deletion fails, restart the device and try again. A reboot clears temporary locks. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, sign out of the App Store and sign back in, or reset network settings before a final reinstall attempt to resolve permission or sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.